Welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. Meet our chefs. She is sweet. And he is savory.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Sweet and Savory. As for today, our very first video on the savory part, we're gonna make a delicious fried chicken. You know, nothing spoils more like homemade fried chicken. So let's gonna start. We're gonna mix a really interesting fried chicken. We're actually gonna make a brine, and then we're gonna season our buttermilk, and then we're just gonna make a mix with our flour so we can actually get the best fried chicken you've ever tasted. So let's go and see what's going on. Back, we're gonna make our brine. So for this, we're gonna be needing carrots, some celery, onion. Okay, we're gonna be needing sugar, sea salt, fresh rosemary, some bay leaves, garlic powder, chili flakes, whole black pepper, mustard seeds, just a small amount, and the secret ingredient, pièce of résistance, lemon peel. We're gonna bring this to a boil, a slightly boil, so you know everything just infuses all the flavors inside the water, and we're gonna put our chicken to rest. So be right back when this is, infused. Our brine is ready. For now, we're gonna be just using, a small, chicken breast, and we're gonna put it on our brine, and we're gonna let it rest a couple of hours. 2 to 3 hours will be perfect for this. Now that the chicken is marinating in that beautiful buttercream with all those spices, let's go and make something really good. Like, in all honesty, when I was a little kid, I loved pickles. Nah, it's a lie, I absolutely hated them. But I remember my grandma actually making this thing, it's called pickled honey apples. So today, we're gonna make them. Let's go and see the ingredients. So here we go. Pickled honey apples are probably my favorite recipe my granddad made. So here's very easy. We're gonna use a cup of water over here, right? 2 ounces of white vinegar, ½ ounce of, filtered apple cider vinegar, right? Jack Daniels, because my grandma is to blame for my alcoholism. Nah, just joking, grandma, love you. We're gonna use some beautiful garlic chips, alright? Every single one of those. Whole black pepper, mustard seeds, half of it, bay leaves, alright? Of course, some sea salt, and it obviously needs to have some honey. Right, so we're gonna add around 4 ounces of honey to this. Tasty. And we're gonna put this to a boil, a hard boil, all right? We're back. Here we have our beautiful, pink lady apple with some celery stalk. Here with some beautiful cold pressed olive oil. And here we have our marvelous, absolutely fragrant, honey brine. So it's really hot right now. You just let it, cool down a couple of minutes, maybe one. So we're gonna pour it right now into our jar so that the brine can actually start working right now. Okay, right now we currently have this beautiful thing beneath. And now just to give it the final touch, the olive oil just helps absolutely everything. You know what? It actually so while our chicken is infusing in that beautiful brine, we're actually gonna make our delicious buttermilk. So this is what we're going to need. Here we have our buttermilk right over here. Really like that tangy flavor that it has. We're gonna add, of course, cayenne, delicious, sea salt, and yet more citric flavor, some delicious lemon zest. This is gonna make our buttermilk taste delicious. And I think that will do. Alright. Gonna mix it all together. Now let's bring our flour. So we have here our flour. So let's season our flour. We're gonna add some cayenne because you can have enough cayenne pepper, cornstarch, and hear me out. I know it's ridiculous, but we're going to use tortilla chips. I know it's wacky, I know it's weird, but believe me, it's really good. Okay, you're gonna mix all this together. And now let's bring our chicken. Time to bread our chicken. So our chicken had been resting for a couple of hours in the fridge. So now we're gonna put it on a beautiful buttermilk mixture. And then we're gonna go to our flour with our tortilla chips. And right now what we're going to do, we're actually gonna make a double bath. So it actually gets extra crispy. Okay. Here we go. Second time's the charm. Always gets better with a second. And that's why we use gloves. Okay, so right now we're gonna put this and we're gonna let it rest for a couple of minutes. As you can see, our oil is very ready. And now we're gonna put our beautiful chicken breast to fry. Leave it alone for a couple of minutes. Now that our chicken is about to be ready, let's make a special salt. So right here we have some sea salt. Here we have some beautiful, orange zest, and here we have some freshly chopped rosemary. So right now we're just gonna grind and let all those natural essence, come all the way together, so we can have this really nice and delicate perfumed salt that we're gonna finish our chicken. Now, time for the real deal. Remember our beautiful honey pickled apples that we made 24 hours ago? Here they are, beautiful. Just look at those colors, have to be super crispy inside. So we placed our chicken on a cooling rack. Here you can see the beautiful tortilla chips that we have here. So right now, we chop it. You can hear that dense crust we have. Look at that. Great. Look at that. So much, so juicy inside. Amazing. So we're gonna cut it in half here. There we go. There we go. Fully cooked, so juicy. You can see this. All of the juices coming outside, marvelous. Sorry, had to cheat, but it was really good. So before we end, we're gonna add our nicely seasoned, salt, top of it. And now let's open our apples. Ah, there we go. Alright. Some pickled honey apples over there. Just gonna be the culmination of everything we made today. Alright, here we have some coleslaw. On you. Smells really good. You know, across this. A little bit crunchy. It's really good. It's like magnificent. I'm not giving you, in all honesty. Sorry, cameraman, not giving you. Gonna eat some, you know, pickled honey apples. Crispiness is still there, amazing. Just gonna use, you know, the skin of the chicken to use as a spoon. Magnificent. It's really good. So guys, if you want to make this recipe, follow the recipe down below in the description. Follow me on Twitter. And, you know, please subscribe, like the channel, hit the bell icon. Follow me on Twitter. Follow my sister also on Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!